In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your 1Password master password. This is an important task, especially if you think your security might have been compromised or you simply want a more secure password. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, begin by navigating to the 1Password dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, you should see the login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your existing master password to gain access. Next, take your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen where you'll notice your profile icon or avatar. Give that a click. This will prompt a drop-down menu where you'll see several options related to your account settings. From this drop-down menu, select the option that says Manage Account. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can oversee various aspects of your 1Password account. Now, on this new page, find and click on Change Password. It's usually located within a security or account settings section, and this is where you'll initiate the process of resetting your master password. At this point, you'll be required to enter your current master password. This step is crucial to verify that you are indeed the account owner. Be sure to type it in accurately to proceed to the next stage. Once you've entered your current password correctly, you'll be prompted to set a new password. When considering a new password, make sure it's strong yet memorable. A mix of upper and lowercase letters, symbols, and numbers is recommended to enhance security. Having entered your new password, you'll need to confirm it by retyping it in the field provided. This is to ensure that there aren't any typos and that the password typed is exactly what you intended. After you've confirmed the new password, go ahead and click the Change Password button. This will officially update your master password to the new one you've just entered. Last but not least, it's extremely important to download and save your new password securely. Most platforms, including 1Password, will provide an option to download a secure file or save it to your device. Ensure you do this to prevent being locked out in case you forget your new password. And there you have it. Your 1Password master password has now been reset. By following these steps, you've just bolstered the security of your online accounts. Remember to keep your new password safe and never share it with anyone. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to 1Password support.